Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Did you know that silver is up over 70% in a year? And experts are saying it could go even higher. What a great title, but also look where this article is coming from. CNBC. Crazy stuff. I have some incredible, critical articles we're going to be covering over the next couple days, so stay tuned. I'm also doing a 10-ounce Wall Street silver giveaway. Look at this. If you want a chance to win a 10-ounce Wall Street silver bar, the things are absolutely wicked, then you better go enter in that video. I'm gonna be picking the winner at noon tomorrow. It's gonna be a premiered video, so noon tomorrow, tune in. I will be picking the winner, so you have less than a day left to enter. These bars are wicked. And speaking of Wall Street silver, did you know they have a YouTube channel? Since they sent me that 10-ounce bar to give away to one of you guys, I have so much respect for them. They have been a staple in the silver community, and I want you guys to do a Silver Slayer raid. Everyone go over to their YouTube channel, subscribe, and go on their latest video and type in the comment section Silver Slayer raid. I want to see the comments flooded with the Slayer Elite fam. And let's try to get them to 12,000 subscribers. It's just incredible what they're doing. I mean, look, they already have 78,000. They're promoting silver on such a large scale. It's just a beautiful thing. So shout out to Wall Street Silver. Thank you for supporting the silver community and, more importantly, my audience, right? So anyways, look at this article, CNBC. What a crazy article. It's like everyone is starting to get the gist. It's like that aha moment for silver has finally appeared. Everyone is starting to say, wait, silver does make sense. It is the perfect investment. I don't know why it took them so long, but regardless, time is irrelevant because they are noticing it. Here's some of the key points of the article. It's often overlooked in favor of its lustrous cousin's gold, but the price of silver has jumped over 70% in the last year. Did you know that silver was the #1 performing asset in 2020? If you don't watch my videos, you probably didn't know that because nobody was talking about it. It beat Bitcoin, it beat Tesla, Amazon. Silver was the #1 performing asset. Leading commodity strategists saying the rally is likely to continue as the global economy reopens. And that's a crazy thing to think about because usually safe havens, they don't rally when the economy is doing better. Gold does terrible when the economy is doing better because it's only a monetary metal. Gold only benefits when things are going really bad. But silver benefits when things are going bad and good. It's the best of both worlds. It's a win-win situation. The third point is silver was trading around $27 an ounce on Wednesday, a 74% rise from a year ago when the spot price was around $15.50 per ounce. Gold prices have risen 6.4% in a year. So it's often overlooked in favor of its lustrous cousin gold, but the price of silver jumped over 70%. Demand for the precious metal has shot up in the past 12 months, and trust me, demand has shot up. Look at another. I'm going to be covering another video on this, but just read this title real quick. I'm not even going to say it. Just read that. 540% increase. So demand is definitely, I mean, you can't make that number up, right? That's insane. And that's just Royal Canadian Mint. Think about all the other mints. So silver was trading around $27 an ounce. It's a 74% rise. From electronics to photography, jewelry, and coins, silver is integral to numerous everyday products. Its high electrical conductivity and durability gives its industrial and technological applications with almost every computer, mobile phone, automobile, and appliance containing silver According to the Silver Institute, the association's data shows there has been more demand than supply of the semi-precious metal so far in 2021. But Ole Hansen, head of commodity strategy at Saxo Bank, told CNBC that although around 50% of demand for silver was industrial, the rest came from investors. Still, it uses an industry was one of the main reasons driving its recent rise in value. And that is something that people forget about. Everyone talks about 5G, electric vehicles, solar panels, silver's industrial use. Everyone's good, silver makes the world go round. But what about the people like us that are also going to be buying silver when the price rises? Everyone is going to want a slice of the silver pie, whether it's me, you, Tesla, SpaceX, the green energy revolution, the medical world. There's colloidal silver. People forget about us, Wall Street silver raids, right? The silver army we're building, the silver movement. And then when silver's price goes higher, YouTube videos, articles, everyone's talking about it. The news channels, friends, family, everyone, literally everyone, people that have never invested a single dollar in their entire life is trying to get a slice of the silver pie. So industrial demand is probably the main reason why we've seen silver outperform gold as it has over the last year. Part of that rise is definitely coming from industrial metals, which have really been on a tear. If you look at copper prices, they've more than doubled since hitting a low point last year. He added, additional factors have also played into silver's rise. Hansen said, such as the shift forwards to green technologies, which have spurred a rise in demand for industrial metals such as silver, which are used in solar panel production, for instance. And this isn't just a little stint. The green energy revolution, that's decades in the future. I mean, we're gonna need silver for the next 20, 30 years just in the small frame. I mean, think about in 20, 30 years, how much more uses for silver will be needed in the everyday world. And trust me, silver is getting harder to find. It's getting harder to mine out of the ground. Silver is actually more rare than gold. And I just don't see how the supply is going to be able to keep up with the demand. I mean, we can barely do it now, so imagine moving forwards. So silver and gold daily closing price. You can see this is an interesting chart. It's going by dollar per ounce. You can see silver around 27, and you can see gold around, that's of May. So you can see it did move similar. And this is what I always try to say. Silver and gold are used for two completely different reasons. So why are the prices so directly correlated? I do think silver is going to take on a life of its own. And I think that life of its own is starting to happen now. And that's because of silver's industrial applications. Why my name is Silver Slayer, not Gold Slayer. The massive amount of central bank and government stimulus over the last year has also fueled concerns around inflation, with precious metals like gold seen as a hedge against rising prices and a decrease in the value of the dollar. On Wednesday, official U.S. data surprised markets with a bigger than expected 4.2% rise in consumer prices in April compared to a year ago. If gold rallies, then silver tends to rally, but even stronger, Hansen noted, so most silver investors are probably keeping a close eye on gold prices, the level of the dollar, and the level of interest rates. While inflation might be seen as good for those precious metals, market watchers will also be keeping an eye on any tightening of monetary policy which aims to keep price rises under control. So silver prices remain well below record high in 2011 when the metal almost reached $50. However, Hansen said that long-term the demand for silver shows no signs of waning. And that's the thing. Gold already blew through the volcano top. Gold broke through $2,000 last year, the highest it's ever been. Silver didn't even reach half of that. The gold to silver ratio was 125 to 1 last March when gold did that. But if gold already exploded, silver hasn't exploded yet. It still is bubbling. It still is ready to blow. So silver hasn't happened. Silver stackers always get the last laugh, whether it's later or, sooner or later. Patience is key, and silver stackers have to be patient. Silver's not Bitcoin. It takes a long time, but the profits are going to be astronomical. extreme bullish scenario off the table for now. So silver also stands to gain from reopening of the global economy following this virus, given the ramp up in industrial production as well as maintained investment demand. And, that's just another reason. I could sit here and I could talk about 100 different reasons why silver has potential, has opportunity to rally and to blow people's minds. And I can tell you 100 different reasons why stocks will not rally or blow people's minds. You get what I'm saying? If you're investing, you have to be strategizing. You have to look at information, strategic information based off of what we see and what in the facts. That's looking at that from that perspective. Silver makes so much sense. And also looking at that from that perspective, stocks don't make that much sense. You get what I'm saying? If you are a realist like me and you're looking at the reality of our financial situation, everything going ahead with stimulus, then silver's a no-brainer. So he told CNBC on Tuesday silver had benefited from investment demand during this this whole thing and will likely continue to do so. This virus resulted in major decrease in U.S. real interest rates and the shift in allocations out of wealth and household savings into gold and silver. This more than offset the weakness in industrial consumption and continues to do so. So, however, he noted that if a third wave comes, largely caused by variants, could continue to dampen industrial demand, and that has taken extreme bullish silver scenario off the table for now. And that's an if. That's a scenario. Every scenario, I went back. We can take this back to the election. Whether candidate A, B, C, D, E, F, G won the election, no matter what, it was still going to be bullish for silver. And same with any situation moving forwards. All of it's still going to be bullish for silver. Silver's still going to come out on top regardless. So right now, if that did happen, that would only be pushing prices down for now. But in the grand scheme of things, that's not going to do. Just like the dollar strengthening might push silver down for a couple days or a couple weeks, but in the grand scheme of things, that's nothing. So an end to destocking in China and India would see the silver market really pick up steam, he said. The rally can last as long as the world remains concerned about the impact of the virus mutating and concerned about the impact of this virus on the services industry. Both of these concerns can drive policymakers to keep real rates at low levels and can sustain investment demand at high levels. So what a great article, right? The link to this article will be in the description. I really enjoyed this article. They made several different points, and they also highlighted points that a lot of people overlook. A lot of people overlook a lot of the stuff they mentioned in this article, and it's interesting because it's coming from CNBC. But anyways, remember, I'm giving away a 10-ounce Wall Street silver bar. If you want a chance to win this bad boy, look how cool this thing is actually. Let's go back to Wall Street silver, buy silver, Wall Street silver bar comes up right here. Look at this bad boy. They sent me this in the mail for free to give away to one of you. Isn't that crazy? They wanted one of you, my audience. So if you're watching this video, Wall Street Silver wants one of you to have this bar. They wanted you to have an opportunity to get this bar. How cool is that? That is something that means so much to me. It really does. It means more to me than them just sending me the bar to keep. No, they wanted me to give it away. That means a lot. That means they care about you and literally you. Because if you're watching this video and you enter the giveaway, this is your chance to win this bad boy. And 10 ounces is heavy. It really is. 10 ounces is a lot heavier than 1 ounce. So, here's a lady stacker. Just getting started. Excited to be... Yeah, I've seen a lot more lady stackers in the community as well lately. But, yeah, just checking out Wall Street Silver right now. This place is so freaking cool. But more importantly, I want you to go over to their YouTube channel, subscribe, and go to their latest video, which looks like this one 6 hours ago. And I want you guys to do a Silver Slayer raid. I want you guys to flood the comments saying Silver Slayer raid. And also their content is really good. It's the opposite of mine, actually. They do a lot of interviews, a lot of stuff like that, and it's a different perspective, but it's also very educational and entertaining. I think you're going to get a lot of benefit out of it. So definitely check out their stuff as well. But go comment Silver Slayer Raid. I want everyone to go over there. Please, please. That's the least you can do for them, giving me a bar to give away for one of you, to one of you guys. Go do that. I want them to hit 12,000 subscribers, and I want to see Silver Slayer Raid all over their comments. I'll go in there and like your comment of you saying that. I just think it'd be really cool. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. The link to this article will be in the description. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. I post daily videos. Stay tuned. I got a lot more stuff coming. This is Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.